Now we start exercise number 1.1 and question number 1 is set A contain the elements A, B, C. Then state whether each of the following is true or false. The first statement is small a belong to A. Is it true or false? It's true. Why? Because A is present in set A or A is the element of set A. Right? The next statement is X belong to A. Is it true or false? It's false. Why? Because X is not present in set A or X is not element of set A. Now students, I want you to solve question number 1, 3 to 7. Now, let's move on to question number 2. But before starting question number 2, we need to know that what is a finite set, an infinity set, and a null set. So, first one is finite set. What is a finite set? If the number of elements of a set is limited, it is said to be a finite set. And in simple words, we can say a set of number that has a beginning and ending. Let's take an example. Set A contain the elements 1, 2, 3 and set B contain the elements 1, 2, 3 up to so on 100. These are the examples of a finite set, right? Now second one is infinity set. What is an infinity set? If the number of elements of a set is unlimited, it is said to be an infinity set, or in simple words, a set of numbers that has never end. Let's see the example. Set N contain the elements 1, 2, 3 up to so on. In this set, number of elements are unlimited or uncountable, right? Now last one is null set. What is a null set? A set without any element is called a null or empty set. It is denoted by phi or empty set. I hope by now you know what is a finite set, an infinity set, or a null set. Now come to the question number 2, that is, pick out the correct answer for each from the given brackets. So now, I hope students you can solve this question yourself. So complete question number 1 and question number 2 from exercise number 1.1. It's your home task.